In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on PayPal. Now, what you want to do is open up PayPal. Once it has opened, if you're on a mobile app, go to the top left, click on your profile icon, and then click on personal information, and then on email address. From here, you can see your primary address, and then you can add a new email address. You add your new email address, and then you just follow on-screen instructions. You will have to verify that new email, and then you will have two emails. And then you can delete your old one or make the new one a primary one, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If this video didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you.